We're in the Docklands on the Wood Wharf project,
which is a development of approximately 9 hectares.
It's a mixed-use development of commercial, residential, retail.
In a few years this will be a brand new part of London.
And it's going to be a huge landmark in the area.
We've been on site now for approximately 2 years.
And NG Bailey have delivered the infrastructure on phase 1 of the project. On this site we've got 48 plate heat exchanger skids, 24 LTHW and domestic and 24 chilled. We're also delivering a chilled water pump room. The units are manufactured in Bradford. They turn up 6 to 7 at a time. They're offloaded straight onto a landing deck and into the goods hoist. As soon as they're up on the goods hoist, they're out and they can be positioned in the room, ready for piping. It turns up and it's a plug and play piece of kit, ready, finished, and it's good to go. No interference from other trades. No interference from the weather. The quality is always right because it's been snagged, it's been signed off, everything's traceable, so it's a perfect solution.
Quality is really important to the business.
The installation is second to none, and it's evident when you walk around.
You know, it's important we get it right first time. That's what's happened here.
We've maintained our programme. In fact, at times we're slightly ahead of programme.
NG Bailey are operating all over London. We've got South Bank Place, RCA, College of Art at Battersea. We're doing work at the Wimbledon Tennis Club and the Northern Line extension.
Everything we do is driven by our vision.
We always want to strive to be bigger and better.
We're a known brand that delivers.